how to connect GoDaddy domain to Google Workspace. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect our GoDaddy domain that we have purchased in GoDaddy together with your Google Workspace. Now, when you're setting an account or setting up an account in Google Workspace, you actually need a domain name to set up your account. There are two options for us over here. We could either buy any domain or simply use a domain we already own. So simply select use the domain we already own and simply paste your domain name over here. In our case, I have Caesar.shop and click on next. After that, as you can see, click on next once again. And I'll simply enter a username that you prefer, a password that you need or that is suitable for your Google Workspace, and click on agree and continue. You could save your password if you prefer, but after that, your GoDaddy domain will now be attached to the Workspace or Google Workspace account that you have created. So simply log into your account and you are now then finished connecting your GoDaddy with your Google Workspace. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.